So this is your project smart mirror system. You have to connect the speakers to this 3.1 jack. As for face recognition, I have implemented a speaker system such that we will be having so when another person is recognized, it will say that particular person name and give the welcome message. That's all for that speaker. And if any unknown person, then the speaker alert will be there. This is one point. As there was no speaker in your block diagram, we have not brought in the stock, so connect your 3.5 jack headphones here. So bring your 3.5 jack headphones while coming to your kit collection. And second thing, you have to connect a USB keyboard, USB mouse. Okay, this is the Raspberry Pi camera for face recognition, IR sensor, buzzer, DH22 temperature sensor. And you have to create a mobile phone hotspot and 4G. Hotspot name should be project, small letters, and project 1234. Thereafter, whenever, and the application will be in such a way that whenever you come in front of the camera, the IR sensor has to be detected. Then only the recognition mode works. Instead of continuous recognition and false alarms, we have kept this IR sensor saying that the person will come in front of the mirror for this IR. Whenever the IR is detected, it will see whether the person is the recognized or unrecognized, and thereafter it will send the alert to a telegram using the internet. You will have a motion sensor. Whenever motion is detected, it will send the picture alert. Okay, you will have a telegram app. So this is the telegram ID. Let me open it. So you will have a app called Smart Mirror Alert Bot. Okay, so after opening this thing, you have to mostly change your ID yourself. As how to change the ID also I will show you, while you training this thing. So after connecting the HDMI to VGA to your monitor, I'm connecting to a television. The application starts. So the application directly boots into the application directly boots into the magic mirror. And on your keyboard, in order to go to the backend screen, you have to keep F11. After complete booting is done and the magic mirror is up, then you have to click on F11. It will go to your backward. I also kept the face recognition in the auto start mode. Also change this color to black. Now you can see directly, now the mirror is opened. You will have the time, news, this thing, and the face recognition camera will also open. You can arrange the camera in this way. Okay. And the motion detection as alert motion detected, I get the image. And you will also continuously get the room temperature and humidity. Those things are on auto start, no need of doing anything. Alert motion detected. Okay, so these are the just parameters. Now in order to train your face, first on your keyboard you have to click on F11. So whenever you click on F11, click on the screen on the mirror and press F11. Then you can see the window got minimized. So you have to first click on the F11, the window gets minimized. Then you can do the general operations. Keep this one to the black. Now I think the operations which you have to do is first only the save faces. And in order to remove and save the faces, first you have to exit this camera. In order to exit this camera, you have to press one Q button. Then the camera got closes. Click on the particular window and press the Q button. This is one part. This entire thing is to train your faces. Now go to the menu In the menu you will find accessories. In the accessories you can see a folder called file manager. Click on it. On the when you click on the file manager, you can see a folder called faces folder. Here existing face is there, mine. I'm removing it in order to train my now face. I'm closing it. Okay, now in order to save a new face, double click on this faces save. In middle, if the this is interrupting, what you call your mirror is interrupting, then immediately you can press F11 by clicking on the mirror window. Now whenever you click on the faces save, it will ask for your name. Give any name and press enter. After pressing enter, the camera opens and the camera starts to track your face. So now you have to see towards your camera. Now you can see the camera is observing me. So whenever there is a green rectangle, ask your friend or someone to press start button on the here. Okay, this all things is for training. So in order to train your face, first you have to see towards the camera, click the mouse on that particular window and press start button. So whenever you press the start button, then the system will keep on tracking your face and takes your snaps of your text, and it looks like the screen is freezed, but not. It is taking your face images and saving it. So it is mandatory to do this. Okay, so same way for any other person also, you have to click on first in order to train another person. First, once it is this part is done, your face is saved, then immediately you have to quit it using Q button and reopen and enter the other person name, and again press the S button. Okay, fine. Now it is done. It has saved my faces. You can go to the accessories, and in the accessories file manager, go to the faces folder. In the faces folder you can see with my name all the images are saved of 13 images. Okay, this is the part, and now I'm quitting the application by clicking on that particular window and press Q button. This will close this application. Now in order to save another person, you have to click on faces save, enter the name, the camera opens, press the S button by seeing towards the camera, and then quit it. So after the training part is done, now you have to concentrate on the recognition part. For that, on the desktop you will have face recognition, which will be auto started when you run the application. Already you have seen that. Now I am double clicking on this thing. It opens so many times. So whenever it opens up, it will take all the data, and that particular data. So now you have to click F11, so the window gets minimized and it will read all the images whatever you have trained, and those trained images, it will open the camera. So now you have to see towards the camera, and also you have to click on this IR sensor.
Hello Robbie, have a wonderful day.
So whenever the I'm already recognized person, so it is saying my name.
Hello Robbie, have a wonderful day.
So when I came in front of the mirror, it is greeting me. We are creating in that way. And the second part, if I'm quitting this thing and I'm going to file manager, accessories. In the accessories you'll have file manager. Go to faces folder. I'm deleting my ID and rerunning the application. So the mirror program will be continuously running in the back end. No need of worrying about that. I'm clicking F11. So the camera opened. You can just align the camera in this way. and now unknown person came in front of the it given
No
the
person detected.
you will give the voice alert unknown person detected, and same it will send the image that to the telegram that unknown person has been detected. So in this way, and continuously whenever the motion is detected, it will give you the motion alert images. Every 1 to 2 minutes you will get the room temperature and humidity, and whenever there is any motion you will get the buzzer and as well as the data. This is chart 1. In order to change the chart ID, because there is no VNC viewer working in this and there is no other option, you have to only change the chart ID. Follow this procedure. Quit it, go to F11, go to menu, preferences, go to accessories, file manager. In file manager you will find a folder called face recognition. In this there is a file called smart_face-recognize.py. .click, open with Tony Python IDE. Come little bit downwards. I will place this line on the top only. Okay, now save. Now you have to change this ID. Okay, after changing this ID you have to run one more command. I will give that command. So after changing the ID, press save button. After saving, in the same here you'll menu, go to accessories, you'll find a thing called terminal. Here you have to change the thing. So in order to change it, the command, I will place the command easily to you. File manager. So I'm again showing you, after you changing the ID, go to menu, go to accessories, go to file manager. In the file manager I kept a file called bootcommand.txt. Copy this file, go to accessories, go to terminal, right click and paste and press enter. Okay, then only your ID will be activated. Remember that you have to do this procedure and change the ID after connecting to your monitor.